Hello and how are you everyone? Welcome to my channel. Some key facts about the word information. I often hear my students and many people coming from non-native English-speaking countries incorrectly using the word information. First of all, we need to correct our pronunciation. This word is not information. This is information, meaning that R will remain silent. Again, as soon as we say may, then we go down a bit. Then we actually go up to say shan. Information. So you have to try slowly a few times, then we have to do it faster. Information. Secondly, it is an uncountable noun. That means we cannot count information. We cannot say an information or a few or many informations with s, because uncountable noun cannot be counted, like rice, water, milk, sugar, etc., etc. As we cannot say a rice, a few rice, or many rice, we also cannot say an information, a few or many informations, because information cannot be counted. We can say some information or a lot of information. For example, I got some information for you. Alice has a lot of information for us. In question also, we cannot say how many informations have you got, as we cannot say how many rice do you eat, how many water can you drink. We cannot say them, but we have to say how much information have you got, similar to the way we say how much rice do you eat, how much water can you drink, etc., etc. Hope you have got the point here in this video. If you have enjoyed it, please do not forget to hit the like button, share it, write your request or any comment, and finally subscribe to this channel and press the ring bell next to it. Thank you very much. Have a great day.